Hi, I'm David Birch. Welcome to day number 7 of the 15-minute wellness 28-day challenge. Today we're going to be talking about acupuncture meridians, lines of energy or rivers of energy that run through the body according to traditional Chinese medicine. We are going to be doing a Qigong technique called tracing the meridians. So some of the main 12 are 3 yin hand, 3 or arm, 3 yang arms, 3 yang leg, and yin leg meridians. And it's a real nice self-applied acupuncture, acupressure, massage that you can do to finish up or to start. And I usually use it to close. So it's real nice and it's real easy. We start off from the heart and we come up over the head as far as you can reach, and then to the back as high up as you can reach. The kidneys, linger here, warm up the kidneys, and then down the back and outside of the legs. Tracing, and you don't even have to touch, you can hover. So, like right at the end, you can just hover around the toes, come up the front and inside of the legs, back to the heart level. That's the legs. The yang and the yin. Now for the arms, the yin, the inside, the yang, the outside. Then we can turn the head into the other side. Inside, outside. Turning the head. Other side. Inside, outside. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. It's a real nice exercise. And we're going to be applying that at the end of our practice session today. So let's begin. Let's get started with our feet fairly close together. Shift all your weight to the right. Step out with the left. Uji position, ergonomic neutral position. Bottom heavy, top light. Float the head, breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the weight sink to the soles of the feet. Bottom heavy, top light. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's relax from head to toe. Relaxing the scalp, the face, back of the head, throat, chest, all the muscles of the back, stomach, lower back, hips, glutes, quads, hamstrings, shins, calves. Start back up at the top of the head and just all at once, like all the stress is rolling off of you and down into the ground. Sigh of relief. Pause sound. One more time. Inhale. Smile from the heart. Turn to the side. One head behind, one hand on lung one. And just turn. Ringing the temple bell. Get our energy moving. A nice warm up. Done in many styles of Tai Chi and Qigong. Done in different ways as well. beating the drum. Breathe in, turn, boom. Turn back to the front, breathe in, turn, boom. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Boom, 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 boom. Warrior's breath, breathing in, breathing out sharply. Closing the eyes, lifting palms. Inhale up, exhale down. Dip a little bit. You can even squat down. Bring your hands up to your head level. Hands float down in front of the body, relaxing that part of the body. Breathing in, arms raise up. Breathing out, arms float down and relax. Inhale, gathering the breath. Exhale, relaxing the body. Movements get looser and looser. Seek out tension and just brush it into the floor. Comb it from the body straight into the floor. Soften, release. Relax more and more. Don't worry about the movements. Loosen the hips, loosen the jaw. Relax the shoulders. Throw off stress. Sigh of relief. Bend the knees. Begin to bounce a little bit without your feet leaving the ground. Wiggle. Spontaneous Qigong. Shake. Dancing in chaos. If anything comes up like the need to cough, sounds, emotions, sighs of relief, satisfaction, Ah, trapped emotions, emotional sounds. Should not look like what I'm doing. Should look like, should feel, should move the way your body wants to move. It feels it wants to move. Letting go. And come back. Attention is on the lower dantian. Center. Sink. Slowly stop moving. Standing meditation. Enjoy the stillness. Rub your hands together, warm up your palms. Place them over your eyes, warm up your eyes. Let the heat penetrate into the eyes. Enjoy the heat. Enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. Slowly blink open your eyes. Let light in. Lift your palms. Let more light in. Dry wash your face. Fingertips through the scalp. Massage the neck and the shoulders. Underneath the armpits up high. Trace the leg meridians on the outside and back of the legs. Down around the toes. Up the inside and front. Back to the heart. Turn to the side. Inside of the arm. Outside of the arm. Turn the head. Other side. Underneath. Over the top. Back. Rub your ears. Rub your hands. Look at your fingers and toes. Rub your feet if you have your shoes on. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow.